Okay. So we'll now study about some of the rules of singular and plural, right? How singular means one, plural means many. It can be two, it can be three, four, just more than one. Okay. So here we go.
Sir, it can be 1,000 also.
Yeah, thousand, whatever. Whatever. All right, these are the easy ones. You can read in number one, it's just adding s. In all these singular words, you are adding s to make them plural. And that's the same thing happening in number one. I just want you to look at these things. If there is any confusion, any words that you don't know.
Sir, is it exercise or not?
No, you can take screenshot. These words are going to be important. I might
Sir,
ask
I
you
have.
an exam.
F भनेको चाहिँ BES लाग्छ.
Yes, we'll
Sir,
talk in
sorry,
detail.
sir, can I once annotate in screen?
Yes.
सर हामीले यो लेख्नु पर्दैन अनि यसमा यो नलिकन डाइरेक्ट यसमा एस मात्र थापेर लेख्दा हुन्छ
लेख्नु पर्दैन. You just need to look at it now. I will provide this photo. I have already provided this photo. तपाईँले लेख्नु चाहिँ केही नि पर्दैन. पढ्ने मात्र हो, बुझ्ने हो, जान्ने हो. That's what I want you for now. And I will ask these questions. So यदि तपाईँलाई लेखेर याद हुन्छ is something like you may write in your free time, not now. Yes. Yes. Okay, Nimesh, understand. We are doing this. We have just started our class. You can say we just started our lesson. So this is what we are doing. Singular. Yes, हेर्ने, बुझ्ने, you don't need to do anything, right?
Sir, is it home assignment or class?
Class assignment. Just look at it. There is no assignment.
Sir, is this home assignment or class?
If you were listening to me, Agaman, you will know that I'm saying it's not an assignment.
Sir, yesterday was English work.
We are not going to. I will provide you a video, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember, Agaman. Let's talk about today, Agaman, now.
Sir, I have done math.
Yeah, I don't care right now, Agaman. I just want you to do this and don't talk about anything else.
Sir, but how?
Just find. Sir, how to do this? Can you say? No need to do anything. Just look at it and understand. Try to understand. I will explain it in a while. There is nothing you need to do. Just look at this, read this.
Sir, 1 minute. Like this, sir, cap it 1 minute.
Mute and read, please, Agaman. Okay. If there is any problem, you can ask me. In this problem, in this thing. Yes.
Sir, हामीले फर्मलिङ प्युरल नाउन्स अहिले गर्ने हो.
Oh, yeah. We are not doing anything. We are just reading this.
Sir, what is this? Sir, confused भयो के. Sir, what is this?
Reading. Which one? Volcanoes.
Oh.
Volcano. You know what volcano
I thought that was volcano.
So just look at these things.
Sir, what is RASTOREY?
Storage, it's like talla. You say in Nepali, it's talla, right? Ek talla, dui talla, tin talla. Story means.
Oh, sir, yes.
So it's like 5-story temple. 5 talle temple is said. 5 is also known as 5-story temple. So that's what talla.
Sir.
Yes.
सर भनेपछि हामीले छानामा हैन दुई स्टोरे घर बनाउने जस्तो हुन्छ हो.
Yes. 2-story, 3-story.
कुनै सेन्टेन्समा प्युलर बनाउने बेलामा किन ES लाग्छ?
Yeah, I will just talk about that. So you can read here also, but I will talk and let you guys know. So okay, I'll be describing now. I hope you guys have just. I don't want you to read and understand, remember everything right now. I just want you to go through it so that you're familiar with what is there. So now I will describe what happens. And most of the time it's just adding s, like in number one, table number one, or the tables under the heading number one. Adding s most of the time, right? It's easy. But when there is hissing sound at last, hissing sound means so like church. So when there is hissing sound or chaw sound, chaw, chaw is like pitch. So when there is hissing sound, chaw sound, or o sound, if these sounds are there at last, you are supposed to write es. So it's like match, matches, es. Dish, hissing sound, dish, dishes. No need to write, understand. I will provide you this picture. Box, boxes. If you want to write, you can write. I'm not saying don't write, like, you know, you cannot write. I'm just saying right now you don't need to. It's important you listen, then you write. So just listen. Box, hissing sound, boxes. Pitch, chaw sound, pitches. Bus, hissing sound, buses. Fox, foxes. Potato, o sound, potatoes, mangoes, volcanoes, negros, mosquitoes, tomatoes,
Sir, what
buffaloes.
is a negro? Sir,
Negroes are African people, black people.
Blacky people.
Okay, yes. So in this way, whenever you have a hissing sound or chaw sound at last or a o sound at the end, you are going to add es, not just s, but you're going to add es. Okay, that's easy for you to remember. If you can remember these three things: hissing sound and chaw sound and o sound at last will take es. If you want to make it plural, if you remember those three things, this should be easy. Now we go to when there is f or fe at last. So whenever there is fe at last, whenever you add es sound to it, it changes into v, va sound, v. So if it's calf, you say calves, it changes into v. In English, it changes into v. So it's calves, leaves. So whenever that f or fe comes at last, in case of knife, there is fe. So f or fe at last, you take it and change it into ves. You remove that, add ves. In place of f, you are putting ves. So that's how you do if there is f or fe at last. Eh? Knives, if you see life is also another example of fe at last. So if there is fe at last, fe will change into ves. So lives,
Sir,
halves, wolves, thieves. So this is how it changes, right? When there is f or fe at last. So we have already studied 5 things. One, when there is hissing sound. One, there is ch sound and o sound. There is es. And when there is f or fe at last, you use ves. Now we go to the next one, next rule. There are, up to now we studied 5, right? 3 rules for es, 2 rules for ves. Now we'll study for y at last. All right, I think I need to turn this page. Do I? Oh, yes. Hey.
Hey, sir,
Hey.
you did it
Stop.
up, down.
Actually, my mouse is too sensitive. Is that?
Yes, sir. Ki bhayo?
This is not happening. Okay, good boy picture. Okay, good.
Sir, sensitivity.
Good. Okay. So this is what we have. Another next rules. These are other rules that we have.
Sir, can you zoom?
Okay, these are the other rules. Is it big enough? So if there is y at last, like if there is f or fe at last, we changes into ves, right? So if there is sixth rule is if there is y at last. If there is y at last, we change y into ies. So fairy will change into y will change into ies, fairies. In the same way, city will change into cities, fly will change into flies. So do you get this? Y will change into IES, country into countries. But do you notice something? We have already studied some Y's where you just add S at last. So I just want to ask you this question. Does this bother you? Here I'm saying if there is Y at last, I need to change it into IES. But here in our first table, if you see in our first table, which is here, you can see that we are using S in, look at these examples, Donkey Valley. There is Y at last, but we are not using IES. Why? Why?
Sorry, sir. I automatically leave by saying Zoom meeting is updating, and I automatically leave.
Okay,
Sir, I
okay.
don't know.
So why do you think this happens here? What is the difference here? When there is here, look at this y's. All this y has s only, and now we are studying. There is a rule that says when there is y at last, we are supposed to remove that y and write ies. So is it
Sir, can you explain? I don't know.
the hint is there in this page. The hint is there in this same page. If you read the heading, you can see. Can you understand?
सर
What about
किनकि
it?
त्यहाँ त्यो अर्को पेजमा वाइ पनि छ सर किनकि अर्को पेजमा वाइ पनि छ अनि त्यहाँ एस गर्ने
So यहाँ पनि y छ यहाँ चाहिँ किन आइएस? I'm underlining something.
Because that is consonant.
I'm underlining something.
Consonant.
So look,
They're consonant.
remember है त everyone, this is very important that you remember this. यहाँ हरेक y को अगाडि consonant छ. Vowel छैन, हेर्नुस् त D, B, R, M, R, T, R. All these
सर
are
आई
consonant.
किन छैन वाइको पछाडि के भन्छ लुकिरा हो र
Yes, please listen to me, Nimesh. I'm saying y. So you can see before y here, all these letters are consonant. So this is y. यदि consonant छ भने IES हुन्छ. यदि vowel छ भने, if y को अगाडि vowel छ, look at this. All these has y o, y e, y e e. So there is vowel here. B, y o. If there is vowel, you just add s. If there is consonant, then only you make it IES. So we are adding another rule. If it is vowel, when there is y and a vowel and then y at the end of a word, you are adding only s. If there is consonant and y, then you are adding IES, removing the y and adding IES. Is that clear? Now we have 8 rules.
Sir, yes.
Not 8, 7 rules.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Sir, when you turn that another page and said that the answer is in the question, then when I read that and I knew that there was consonant, so that was the answer.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, now in some of the cases, vowel will change, right? So vowel will change and singular will become plural. So vowel inside the word, like look at this, OU will change into I, mouse will change into mice, OU changes into I. So plural of mouse is not mouses, it's mice. In the same way, plural of teeth, tooth is teeth. The vowel will change. Either it changes into EE or change into I. Foot will change into feet. Man will
सर नीड भेनी लाइक दिस
men. Vowel changes in the middle of the word. So this is how some will change into plural. Goose will change into geese. And louse, OU.
What is a goose?
Goose is a big kind of it's a bird, a dog-like bird. It's like a dog.
Yes, sir,
And
it
a
is
red
like
beak.
dog.
Yes.
Sir, yes. It is.
So do you understand this? In some cases, vowel changes. The vowel changes. Chairman, chairman. So 3 for, if you understand man to men, you will understand woman, woman, chairman, chairman. So that is it. And some will end with en at last. Child will change into children, ren. Ox will change into oxen, oxen. Okay. Now these are 9 rules according to which some singular can change into plural, right? So I will repeat the rules one more time. So first one is just adding s. No, 10 rules. Just adding s, the simple rule. And then there is hissing sound, chaw sound, and o sound. These 3 for es. And there is another 2. F or fe at last, you write ves. If there is consonant and y at last, you write IES. If there is only vowel and y at last, you will only add s. So that will make it 8 rules. And 9 rule is some vowel inside the word will change. Mouse will change into mice. OU will change into I. OO will change into EE. Foot into feet. Same way, man, A will change into men. E. And that is 9th. And the 10th rule is you add en. Now these are singular and plural.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Jayant.
Sir, in 5 number means जुनमा चाहिँ OU हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ I मा कन्भर्ट हुन्छ र जुनमा चाहिँ OO हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ E मा.
जहिले पनि हुँदैन. हाउसको हाइस हुँदैन है, हाउसेसै हुन्छ. So in these words, I'm just showing in these words यस्तो हुन्छ. If you write house, house पनि mouse जस्तै छ हेर्नु त. House र mouse मा त्यस्तै छ. तर you don't write highs. House को houses हुन्छ. Highs हुँदैन.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is mean by LICE lice?
Jumra. Okay.
Sir, LOUS loves phone.
Laos भने एउटा, lice means धेरै. Okay, now we go to next 4. In this next 3 table, look at these 3 tables. Now you have to understand something, right? These are the words whose singular and plural are same. Deer ko singular पनि deer हो, plural पनि deer हो. Sheep also same. Singular लाई पनि sheep भन्छ, 10 वटा भए पनि sheep नै हुन्छ. Dozen को पनि 1 dozen पनि dozen नै हो. 10 dozen also dozen. Score also same thing. 1 score, 100 score, same. You don't have singular, plural. They are same. That does not mean they have only singular or they have only plural. यिनीहरु singular मा पनि त्यही use हुन्छ, plural मा पनि त्यही use हुन्छ है. Now there are some words जसको चाहिँ plural हुँदै हुँदैन. यिनीहरु जहिले singular. यिनीहरुको plural कहिले पनि हुँदैन. Furniture always singular. Physics, name of subject always singular. News, politics, information, mathematics, scenery, poetry always singular. They are never plural. है. यिनीहरुको plural हुँदै हुँदैन. If someone asks you what is the plural of this, you have to say there is no plural for these words. Yes?
Sir.
Yes?
Sir, poetry भनेको पोइ लेख्ने मान्छे हो.
Poem. मान्छे हैन त्यो poem लेख्ने subject. If there is a subject
What
in
is mean by symmetry?
poetry.
Sir.
And there is the 9th one in which you never have singular. यसमा चाहिँ plural हुँदैन, यसमा चाहिँ singular हुँदैन. People is always plural. Caesar always plural. Cattle always plural. Trousers always plural. They are never singular. These 4 words never singular. These 4 words never plural. And they are same for singular and plural. So these 3 are unique cases. They are a unique case that you need to understand. They are not like what we have studied up to now. These are unique nouns. Yes, yes, Jayant.
Sir, cattle भनेको गाई र गोरु है.
गाई बस्तु. In Nepali we call गाई बस्तु. Cattle exact translation will be गाई बस्तु. Samartha is here. Samartha. No. Ishana, Yubika, Ipsa, Abhinav, Liana, Saksham, Aslesha. Onir, are you here? So okay.
Sir, yes.
Okay, these are how you will understand singular and plural. I will post this video in YouTube.